So good morning students, welcome to our geometry class. Now let's start our new exercise, that is 7.1. In the last period we have already studied the quadrants. Now in first quadrant your signs are positive. In second quadrant x is negative and y is positive. Now in third quadrant x is negative and y is also negative. X is negative and y is negative. X coordinate is negative and y is negative. And in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. Always you have to see the signs of the coordinates and then show the points on a graph. In exercise 7.1 you have to identify the points which lies on which quadrant or on which axis. So let's start first question. Now state in which quadrant or on which axis the following points lies. It is your 7.1 first question. Now see here, first point minus plus. Now minus plus means which quadrant? Second quadrant. So let's first revise the quadrants and points. Now see the second point is minus 5 minus 2. Now first point is minus plus means in which quadrant it lies? In second quadrant. Now in first quadrant signs are plus, in second quadrant minus, in third minus, and in fourth quadrant plus and minus. Now see here, second point B, where it lies? Minus in third quadrant. Now third point, what is third point? K, 3.5 and 1.5 means both are positive, so it lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. Now see this next point, it is also plus, therefore it also lies in first quadrant. Now see the next point, next 2 points, 37, 35, it is also lies in first quadrant. Then plus minus means fourth quadrant. Then plus minus fourth quadrant. Then next point is H, which is 0 and minus 5. So it lies on y-axis. X is 0 means it lies on y-axis. Now see the M point, what is given? 12, 0. 12, 0 means x is given, therefore it lies on x-axis. Now N point, y is given, so it lies on y-axis. So these 4 points which have 0, x is 0 or y is 0, that lies on x coordinate or y coordinate. If y is given, y coordinate is given, it lies on y-axis, and if x coordinate is given, it lies on x-axis. So 0 minus 5 means it lies on y-axis. 12, 0 means it lies on x-axis. Then 0, 9, it is lies on where? Y-axis. And point P, 0, 2.5 means y coordinate is given, so it lies on y-axis. And then Q point, both are negative, so it lies on third quadrant. So you have to make 2 columns and write down, in first column write down the points, and in second column you have to write down in which quadrant or in which axis the points lies. So students, in this way you have to complete question number 1. You have to only write down make the columns and write down the coordinates of points in first column, and in second column you have to write down quadrants or points. Now let's start the second question. Now see here, in which quadrant are the following points? Now see here, 4 questions are given. Now first question, whose both coordinates are positive? Now whose both coordinates are positive? In first quadrant both coordinates are positive, so your answer is first quadrant. Now second, whose both coordinates are negative? In third quadrant both coordinates are negative, so your answer is third quadrant. Now see here, what is the third question? Whose x coordinate is positive and y is negative? Now where is the x is positive and y is negative? In fourth quadrant, so your answer is fourth quadrant. Now in fourth question, x is negative and y is positive, so it lies in which quadrant? Second quadrant. So answer of fourth is what? Second quadrant. Now let's start the third question. Now here, draw the coordinate system on a plane and plot the following points on a graph. So here you have to draw a coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, and then you have to show the points on a graph. So let's start the solution. Now first take a graph and you have to draw x-axis and y-axis on a graph, student. So draw first x-axis and then draw y-axis and then show the points on a graph. To the right side show positive points, to the left side show negative points. Above the origin show positive points, below the origin show negative points. In this way you have to draw first coordinate axis on a graph paper. You have to show this question on a graph paper. So write down the coordinates of x axis and write down the coordinates of y axis. Now let's start the first point. Which point you have to show first? L point. What is the coordinates of L? Minus 2, 4. Now minus 2, 4 means x is minus 2 and y is 4. So see on axis, x-axis, where is minus 2? It is your minus 2, and where is 4? On y-axis. So see the point 4 on y-axis. So draw the perpendiculars from these 2 points, and then that points meet and you get the coordinate minus 2, 4. Now join that points. Now see here, it is your point L, that is minus 2, 4. 4 on y-axis and x on x minus 2 on x. Always you have to show x coordinate first and then y coordinate. Remember students, always you have to show first x coordinate and then y coordinate. Now next is M point, that is 5, 6. Both are positive, so it lies in which quadrant? First quadrant. So see here, what is the x coordinate? 5. See on x axis, where is 5? It is your 5. And then 6. 6 is on y axis. 5 and 6. 5 on x axis. See here, it is your point. Then 6 on y axis. So draw perpendiculars from 5 and 6. They meet at point, and this point is your M. Coordinates of M is 5 and 6. First x coordinate and then y coordinate. Now let's start the third point. Third point is minus 3, minus 4. Means it lies in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Now draw the points from minus 3 and minus 4. Draw the lines, perpendicular lines. You get the point N, that is minus 3, minus 4. Always show x coordinate first and then y coordinate. Now next point is P. 2 minus 3. Minus plus means fourth quadrant. So see the x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is minus 3. So see here, minus 3 and 2. Draw the perpendicular lines and both the lines meet at that point. That point is your P, 2 and 3. Now see the next point, that is 6 minus 5, Q. 6 minus 5. So 6 is on x-axis positive and 5 minus 5 means negative. So plus minus means it lies in fourth quadrant. Draw the perpendiculars and you get the point Q. Now next is 7, 0. Now see here, y coordinate is 0 means it lies on x-axis. If x coordinate is 0, then it lies on y. If x is 0, then lies on y-axis. If y is 0, then lies on x-axis. Now here x coordinate is given 7. Therefore show the point 7 on x-axis. So it is your point S, 7, 0. Now next point is 0 minus 5. Now see here, x is 0 and y coordinate is given, means it lies on y-axis. So show the points on y-axis. It is your point 0 minus 5, T point, 0 minus 5. In this way you have to complete exercise 7.1. Now we will take the next exercise in the next period. So students, I hope you understood how to draw the points on a graph. So thank you and have a nice day.